What is up, y'all? So I just drove back in from Houston. I really wanted to get this video done. It's long overdue, but today I'm gonna show you what the color of the car looks like. And went to a little drift event, so I'm gonna show you guys how that looked. Got the keys, got the clicker. Let's go ahead and get into it. After all this time, here she is. Let me know what you think. What color y'all think it is? What do you think it's gonna be? So yeah, I left it red. It looks freaking awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of the garage and give you guys a better look.
I'm losing myself, losing myself, I'm losing myself tonight. Losing myself, I'm losing.
Yo, look how good that thing looks. This thing looks sick now. Guys, let me know what you think about this. It's so much more fun to drive when it's all one color. So I have taken it to 2 drift events so far. It does have a little bit of love, but most of it can be taken care of. Tapped little cone there. A couple scrapes on the bottom, but for the most part, it's still super solid, and it looks absolutely amazing now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a wash and show you guys a couple clips of her drifting.
I'm losing myself.
The Circuit of the Americas checking in right now. Just waiting. Alright, sick, we made it. About to get some drifting on today. Yeah.
series together. It's going to be so hard, but having fun.
So after we were done drifting for the day, they let us drive on the Circuit of the Americas racetrack.
Isn't that sick? Dang, we're in the S's. Dad see it? Hey, Rob's over here.
10! Alright, you can get that. Look for that 7. That's 6. He's going one.
I'm counting up. That's weird.
It's not mine. I just got the other day.
Fuck your head,
Have it.
Shit.
Said fuck your dog.
7! It's that filter, that money filter, you know what I'm saying? I think if I fuck this up, that's bad. Yo,
You ready? You ready?
We're rolling, baby.
6.
7!
Hey!
So I'm glad the car turned out the way it did. I think it looks awesome, but it's time to put it away. I'm gonna go to a few South by Southwest shows tonight. So, enough car stuff. I did, however, take off the exhaust and made an open downpipe, so you guys get to hear that real quick. It sounds awesome. Other than that, later. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you like the color of it. Peace.